Hey guys, this is Fish Ronaldo, and today I'm gonna show you some unboxing of the helicopter control s107g metal series gyroscope system, so 40 plus 4 inches. Okay, your own space in the sky. Okay, let me show you the unboxing of this toy. Yeah. Let me take scissors. Good. Good. Oh no. Okay, we can open the box now. Yeah, right. Oh, sorry. Oh, quite big. Okay, and that's it is. You can see this is the helicopter. You can see very small. But when it's fall down to the ground, it's still okay. It's not like other helicopter. And this is expensive. I buy it for about 75 ringgit. Okay, you can see. Put it there. You can see the helicopter here. What else in the box? The controller. Yeah, you can see the controller. Yeah, that's it. A very heavy controller, but it's okay lah. Okay, and this the gravity on off, signal on off, and the controller up and down, turn around. Okay. And this is the helicopter. I want to show you the unboxings. It's very small. Yeah. Thanks for watching the unboxing of this mini helicopter, and I hope y'all can like this video and comment. Thanks guys.